Hi English lovers, I welcome you in this video of Best Speaker of the Week competition. As we know that I have started India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. You can also participate in this Abhiyan and just you can be great English speaker. Every week I just provide all my students one topic. They create the video, they send me, and few videos just I choose, and after that I start the voting. You can vote and you can make the speaker best English speaker, and who will win, who will get more and more votes, who will win, who will become best English speaker, as well as he will get the certificate as well as reward. Your vote is very valuable, so please write in the comment box I vote for, after that speaker's name, and really it will be amazing, and I will be always grateful to you, because the mission of India English Bolega Abhiyan, it will be possible because of your help. Thank you. That's enough for today. Please watch and vote.
Hi friends, my name is Dwakar Kumar Goswami from Gomo Chirabad, and I am telling about parenting. You know that the parenting is very important in our life, and without parenting our life is incomplete, and all people will ask you that he is very bad boy, and we should understand our parents language and her sound, and we should understand it, and it is very important in our life. Without our life is incomplete, and some children are so very good, so they understand her language, and all people will ask that he is very good boy, and his parents are good, so he understand her language. Thank you, bye friend, bye.
Hello, good morning, my dear friend. How have you been? I hope everyone will be fantabulous. Hi, my dear friend. Almost you know that my name is Amrit from Sadia Tinsukia, Assam. Nowadays, I live in Bangalore, working as a private company. And simultaneously, I'm also learning English in this India English Bolega Abhiyan, which is founded by our Suraj sir. Suraj sir has given us a wonderful topic which is called parenting. You know, parenting, it is very important and crucial topic for everyone, and I think it this video may be very informative video for everyone and every parents. My dear friend, today, I would like to say something about parenting. Every parent dreams of giving their child a bright future. But success it's about values, discipline, and the right guidance. As parents, we must teach our child respect. What is the respect and how to respect elder and family values and the importance of learning something. Encourage them to be creative, stay away from bad influences, and use correct uses of mobile and any type of technologies, and don't try to break your child desire. My dear friend, most importantly, children learn from what we do, not what we say. That's why if you trying to do something good, if you do something good, your children also copy it from you. That's why you also try to be good person in your future. If you try to be good person in your future in yourself, then your child also copy from you and they also become good person in their future. My dear friend, if we set our child thoughts with good example, then they must follow the right path and nobody can stop them to achieving success in their life. My dear friend, really I am very glad to get this wonderful opportunity to say something about parenting. Thank you, my dear friend. Bye bye.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. As you know that my name is Ved Pandey and I am studying in Ramrati Nanku Verma Mahavidyalaya from in Sultanpur. My university name is Ayodhya University. In the apart from study, I am also learning English from India English Bolega Abhiyan, which is founded by our uh, our loving Suraj sir. So today's our topic is parenting. So parenting is not just a job. It's a calling. It's a sacred responsibility to shape the mind, heart, and soul of the next generation. But let's be real. Parenting is hard. It's exhausting. It's frustrated. Uh, it's frustrated and it's overwhelming. There are days when you feel like you are drowning in a sea of a diaper tantrum and a sleepless night. But despite the challenges and despite the struggle and despite the sacrifice, parenting is worth it. It's worth it because of the moment of pure joy, the moment of unbridled pride, and the moment of deep connection. It's worth it because of the little hand that holds your the little voice that call you a mom or dad, and the little hearts that beat with love for you. So so uh, so but pa- um, so uh, parenting is a journey. It's not a destination. It's a journey filled with laughter, tear, and countless moment of pride. As parents, we have the power to save the next generation. We have the power ins- to install value and to teach kindness and to inspire greatness. But parenting is not just about teaching our children. It's also about learning from them. It's about being patient, flexible, and understanding. So let's cherish every moment with our children. Let's support them, guide them, and love them unconditionally. Because in the end, parenting is not just about raising children, it's also about growing ourselves. It's also about becoming better version of yourself so we can be the best parents in our future life. So thank you, sir, and thank you everyone for listening me.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys I'm here to speak about something new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is parenting. So let's start. Parenting is a huge responsibility because responsibility of parents is very hardworking until the child turns 18. It is very important to raise children well, instill the good values and good moral, and keep them away from bad habits and bad company. Because if the children develop good moral and good values in their life, they become support in their family in future. But the children learn bad things and bad habits in their life, they let down their family's name. So it is very important to children learn good things and good habits. But the most important questions is how to learn the good things and good habits. So few things we should apply in their life, and in this way they learn good things and good habits. First of all, we should give them good books like spiritual books and religions book, and try to encourage them to read those books. Second thing is, we should take them away to visit new places, because they visit new places and meet new people. uh, they they will motivate in their life. Third thing is we should try to encourage them to listen to the motivational speakers and saints speech. And after listening speech, they behave they will behave with others well. So few things apply in their life, and children our children will become a good people like Sravan Kumar. So that's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.